Welcome to AI Beat, your pulse on the latest in artificial intelligence and tech innovation. If you haven't already, subscribe to the daily Flash Trends newsletter for a quick dose of what's shaping the future. Now, let's dive into the most compelling stories from July 14th, 2025 that are transforming industries and redefining what's possible with AI. Imagine a world where discovering new materials for energy storage or sustainability happens not in years, but in months. That's the promise behind a recent breakthrough in machine learning. Researchers have developed a model that can accurately predict the free energy of metal organic frameworks. This advancement significantly speeds up the screening process for new materials, potentially accelerating innovations in energy, electronics, and beyond. It's a perfect example of how AI accelerates scientific discovery, transforming what once took painstaking manual effort into a swift, data-driven process. Meanwhile, in the realm of language and communication, AI chatbots are entering a new phase. Recent research from UC Berkeley reveals that these advanced models now possess metalinguistic skills, meaning they can analyze, manipulate, and understand language structures at a level that rivals trained linguists. The implication? Human language abilities, long considered uniquely human, are increasingly within the reach of machines. This shift could redefine everything from customer service to creative writing, blurring the lines between human and AI communication. And speaking of innovation, a new AI model called Allegro FM is pushing the boundaries of materials science. It can simulate the behavior of billions of atoms simultaneously, enabling scientists to discover and design new sustainable materials at an unprecedented pace. Faster simulations mean faster breakthroughs. Think advanced batteries, stronger composites, or eco-friendly plastics, all driven by AI's ability to handle complex, large-scale computations. But as AI's capabilities expand, so do the questions around ethics and governance. A recent scholarly article calls for a global framework to ensure responsible AI development. With AI systems becoming more integrated into society, international cooperation on standards and regulations is vital. The signal here is clear. Technology outpaces regulation, and establishing unified ethical guidelines is essential to prevent misuse and ensure AI benefits everyone. For small and medium-sized businesses navigating this landscape, new tools are emerging to help stay compliant and competitive. Coas Consulting has launched specialized advisory services focused on data governance and regulatory compliance. These tools empower SMBs to manage their data securely and adhere to evolving laws, an increasingly critical aspect as data privacy becomes a global priority. On the enterprise front, AI-driven analytics are transforming how companies strategize and operate. SBI has introduced WaveForge, a platform designed to maximize return on market investments through intelligent data insights. Retailers, for instance, are partnering with Impact Analytics and KIK to deploy AI-powered systems for merchandising, inventory planning, and customer engagement. The result? More optimized operations, better customer experiences, and a sharper competitive edge. Infrastructure-wise, a new decentralized AI cloud foundation is emerging. Launched by IPTP Networks and MCB Ventures, the Decenter Foundation aims to create a human-centered, decentralized AI infrastructure built on hybrid data centers. This approach promises to democratize AI, making it more resilient, secure, and accessible, changing the very fabric of cloud computing. And as data privacy and security remain paramount, new legislation like New York's Child Data Protection Act highlights the importance of safeguarding sensitive information. This regulation sets clear standards for protecting children's data in digital spaces, emphasizing that privacy isn't just a feature, it's a fundamental right. Finally, Microsoft is integrating Cosmos DB into its Fabric platform, offering unified analytics on operational and relational data powered by AI. This seamless data integration simplifies complex analytics workflows, making AI-driven insights more accessible for businesses of all sizes. All these stories underscore a common theme. AI is no longer just an auxiliary tool. It's the core driver of innovation across industries. From accelerating scientific discovery and enhancing communication to reshaping data infrastructure and governance, The future is unfolding at a rapid pace. Staying informed and adaptable will be key as these transformations continue. Thanks for tuning in to AI Beat. We invite you to reflect on these developments. What excites you most? How will AI reshape your world? Share your thoughts and stay curious.